afternoon, good morning, good evening, whatever it is, wherever you are. Hope you're having a great day. Been a little while, but back at it, and today we're just doing a simple Midge merger. I know this is a Krystal flash Midge merger or something along those lines. I'm sure it's got a different name, but that's what I know it is. Super simple, just using tying thread for the body. We'll be using the Semperfli 20 denier Nano silk in black, Semperfli Krystal flash in the Pearl, Peacock, and silver 0.2mm wire. You can use smaller if you want, but yeah, we'll crack into it. Hopefully it's a handy one for you, and see how we go. Cheers. As always, we'll get our thread base down first, and again we're using that Nano silk 20 denier. This is their finest one, but given the size of the hook here, we're going with that. So I don't think I mentioned at the start there, but it's a size 22 Tiemco 200R. It's a nice little hook. You don't have to tie them this small, you can go a little bit bigger if you want. To be fair, if you ditch the Krystal flash, you've probably got a good little cased caddis pattern as well. But just get that down to the back. Ditch your tag end. And we'll move on to the wire. Alright, for ribbing we're using 0.2mm Semperfli silver wire. You can go with a small one, I think it goes down to 0.1, which will work well too, but I like giving it that more defined segmentation. So we're just going to tie that in down over the top, just down into the back bend of that hook, where it just starts bending down, and just use your thread just to give a bit of a build up to the body. Just get it nice and secure, and just taper it up a bit. So it's just going forward, going back. Just each time, just go back a little bit less, and you'll start getting that tapered look. Just bring it back into focus there. I apologise. And then, just as with any other pattern, we're just going to march this forward until we get that nice segmented ribbed body. That last one I just put a little bit in front of it just so I can secure it in. You can see it's got that really defined body to it. Then if you got it, you can either snip it or just pull your bobbin up and helicopter that away. There we go. Right, next up we've got our Semperflash Krystal Pearl from Semperfli. It's a great little crystal flash, just a pearly sort of colour. So I'll just take a strand of it. You can probably cut it in half again, and I will fold it in 4. And this is going to give our little wing. And you just want to secure it in there. There's nothing flashy or overly complicated here. Just get it on top and tied in. And take your scissors, snip off that little tag end, and take the rest of it. And I usually just use about halfway down the body as a marker and trim it off. Easy peasy. Just get those little odds and ends there, little taggy bits, secured down as well. Cool. Now you could just build that up with your tying thread, tie it off and be done. But we are going to use some Peacock. Just to build up that head on it a little bit, just natural Peacock Herl, and just get that secured in. Just back to where that Krystal flash is sticking out. Get rid of the tip. Finally delicate enough you can kind of just pull them off, and then you're just going to build that head using your Peacock. There you go. Just up to the eye of the hook and tie it in. Didn't quite work. Sometimes you can just pull them off, but if not, just snip it. There we go. Easy. And whip finish. Really about as simple a pattern as you can get, really. There you have it, little Midge emerger, or a Krystal flash Midge emerger. A little bit of flash for a wing there, peacock, tying thread, wire. You couldn't get much simpler really for a handy little pattern. I hope it's helpful, I hope you've enjoyed it. As always, if you're of the inclination to give them a whirl and you use social media, feel free to tag me because I'd love to see how they look. But yeah, enjoy, happy tying, see you next time.